reading about strong-willed women?
Yeah, that's something I've definitely thought about a lot more since having my daughter. So what kinds of media she has access to, how girls and women are portrayed in books, and even still in a lot of children's literature, the protagonists are mostly boys, and even if you do have a female protagonist, a lot of the side characters or background characters are still men, and that has really changed my process a lot, just kind of becoming aware of how things are skewed. Because if you look around the world today, at least 50% of the people we encounter are women, and women do fill most of those.
You're making it more relatable.
Yeah, it is more realistic.
If there was an aspiring artist that wanted to write, what would be your, I guess, advice?
Practice, so much practice and perseverance. I think it can feel really daunting if you want to write a novel or a longer piece of prose, and so I always just break it down into manageable pieces. So I say, if I can just write 500 words a day, or depending on where I am, maybe I can write a little bit more, maybe 1,000 words a day. Whatever it is that you feel like is feasible, you say, okay, if I do 1,000 words a day, in 3 months I'll have a novel. So instead of being overwhelmed by the enormity of the project, you just think it's just about committing to it every day, just taking that little step, realizing that the first draft is not going to be the final product, it's going to need work, and that's okay. Give yourself permission to just put the words out there and know that you can come back to it and improve it.
Yes, practice makes progress.
Yes, I love it. I love
makes progress. I love that. Now we're going to do a quick photo shoot of you two, just trying to emulate the detail and design of your hair and how you speak to the world visually. So this is the artist in the chair. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sherry.